Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, as I'm recording this, it's New Year's Day, so I figured I'd come down and do some talking. I got some bevels and stuff that I'm going to throw in. I figured I'd talk about the good things of 2020 because a lot of people are focusing on the negative, and there was a lot of negative. But I'll tell you what, some good things happened for me. Like, one of my main goals last year was to make folders. Boom, here's the first one I finished and completed. You can tell I've been using it, but now I've made and sold 2 of them, and they're almost to where I'm real happy with them. So that's one awesome thing that I accomplished in 2020. Another thing that's awesome about 2020, after 35 years, I quit smoking. I quit sugar, and after like 15, 20 years, I bought a drum set for exercising. Yeah, all this where you got to get in shape and build up your immune system got me back into playing drums. So, you know, that's amazing things that happen. So let me know what good happened for you in this year. You know, if you can't think of anything, the fact that you're breathing and can comment, that's an awesome thing. So a lot of bad things happen, but let's remember the good things. I'm out of breath because I was just playing drums and came down to record this. I started writing notes, see, about what I can do for video ideas, and I think that's my goal for this year. Try to figure out how to cut all the fat out of my videos where there's a little bit of talking and then a few clips, and then that'll be it. Now, tutorials, they'll be long and a lot of talking and a lot of stuff like that. But music, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to deal with my music. There's no way I can cut it out. I mean, there is ways, but I don't want to, so. I'm gonna try to write a little bit more country, but country's hard because a lot of country is based on lyrics and the guy singing. I definitely can't sing country, and it doesn't make good background music to have me yelling and screaming. Watch my old videos and ask me and tell me how good it was with me singing. Now, my old videos are of me playing live, like the first couple videos, so those are good. In fact, the guy with the long hair is the guy that died back in '96 and why I quit playing music for 15 years. But I digress. Another thing that I'm going to do, when I started growing this channel, I said at 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to explain the whole thing about my arm, what happened with my arm, everything around it. So tell all your friends to subscribe and give me the 5K, and you'll know what happened to my arm. I know everyone's dying to know. Let's see, did I leave anything else out? So that's about it. This knife should be available up on my website. If not, it's been sold. I'll put my website up in the cards. It's the first down in the description. All that Amazon links, all the tools I use, stuff like that. All right, let's get to the grinder. Here we go. I got my little jig that holds my knives on. I got the 1x10. I'm gonna start with the 1x10. I don't think it really matters. You have to kind of go back and forth. Like I say, this is probably gonna be the only talking. Maybe when I switch to flat grinding for the other bevels, but I'm just gonna show a few clips of this. We'll see what we can cut it down to and edit out and all that good stuff. Oh yeah, another good thing. I got all my tattoos I've wanted. I've wanted Faith on my back for years. I already started this for Instagram. The belt's hanging over this side and this side. So, you know, boom here and boom here. I'll move it to that side and then do here and do here. Then we'll put the flat platen on. All right, let's do it. I can see the Hamon. You probably won't be able to see it in there, but when I'm grinding, I can see it. It's right here. Bloop, bloop. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, man. Alright, flats. And this is actually just an 845. Flats, and then we'll see where we're at. Yeah, man. Boom! Woo! Look at that grind! Yeah, man. It's not even a mirror finish. I think I'm gonna try to just stick to the 845 and see how the grinds look when I dip them and do the Hamons. I got these two left, which will be in the next video. Actually, I'm getting ready to put the flat platen on right now and start these, but that'll be for the next video. Then I'll dip them all and we'll see what it looks like at 845. I'll have to look. I'm only got a little viewfinder, so I'll have to see how good the Hamon looks, or if it even comes up in this, but yeah, man. Alright, boom. So let me know what you think about these 10-minute videos or shorter. Yeah, man. This is mine. It's left-handed. Mine. And let me know what you think of this design for my folders with the compound grind. You know, the other two that I've been doing are like this. So let me know what you think, if you like these two better, or if you like this one. Yeah, man. Alright, so I think that's about it. I'm running out of my 10 minutes. Oh man, let's hope this is a good year. All this talk about my old songs and all that, I'll put one up in the cards. It's called 20 Years Down. Read the lyrics, it's pretty good, and then you can see my singing voice too. I actually do sing on it. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff, like we always tell you. I'll put my website up in the cards. It's the first down the link. I got shirts on there, I got knives on there, stuff like that, and see you in the next video. So let's see, I'll put compound grinds. If you want to know compound grinds, I'll put the whole playlist right there. I'll put that song right here, 20 Years Down. My website's right here, and subscribers right there. Hope y'all are having a great day, and as always, take it easy.